Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video, Brenda. My name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company or its exposure on the first page of Google. I'll go over three key factors that you need to rank your business on Google, and that being content, backlinks, and citations. Now, of course, you understand every time you type something here into Google, those are considered keywords. And Google uses those keywords to find websites that best fit the criteria for the search that you just typed in. Search engine optimization, SEO. Yes, and Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content that's relevant to the keywords that get typed in there. And then Google categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So here in the beginning, of course, you have the map section. This is really based on citations. Citations directly link to your Google business profile, and citations are anything with name, address, and phone number. They help you rank in the map. It's extremely important to be seen here. A lot of people search through the map, gas station near me, food near me, Walmart near me. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie's, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Once Google sees your business being referenced more often than the competitors, the more likely you are to bring value, the more trusted you become, and Google moves you to the first page. Everything underneath the map is considered an organic search, except from like advertisements like Yelp and Angie's and whatnot. So getting here on the first page is based on content and backlinks and keywords. So for example, I pulled up your website and I have a tool. It's called Ahrefs. Ahrefs shows me what's going on behind the scenes of your website. It shows me that you have 15 referring domains, and of those 15 domains, you've picked up 127 backlinks. It's like when one website links to another. It's an endorsement for your website. It helps Google build trust. It creates popularity. Of course, I went over the citations and again, keywords, which I see here, lacking in the keyword department. So to give you an idea of what's going on here, I picked a competitor that's on the front page, and I went with, let's see, what did I choose? Lynchburg Auto Repair. Lynchburg Auto Repair. Hold on a second here. Okay, I got confused here because I typed in Auto Repair Lynchburg, Virginia, which you would want to be on the first page. But on the first page, we have Endurance. So we have Endurance Auto Repair. And to take a look at what they have behind the scenes, they have 32 referring domains on 171 backlinks. They also have 204 keywords, and that's generating 185 views of traffic per month based on their keywords. So to give you an idea here, the keywords and the amount of volume that is searched per month, aside from their name, auto repair Lynchburg, Virginia, 200 times a month, auto repair in Lynchburg, Virginia, 200 times a month. I'm not sure what bounce test has to do with that. Endurance Auto Repair, Lynchburg, Virginia. That is a name. Mechanic, Lynchburg, Virginia, 100 times. Mechanic, Lynchburg. Again, suspension bounce test. Okay, I see what that's all about. So this gives you an idea of the keywords that are within the content of their website and the amount of volume that these keywords get searched each month. So with that, it helps them rank on the first page of Google, right along with the referring domains that they have and the backlinks that they have. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, so it's important to make sure that you are connected to ones that are strong. You want a strong domain rank, and you want to see what kind of traffic they're generating. which will also play a part with the keywords that come in for the pages and specific traffic. So it looks as though you could use a refresh on the keywords and get some content freshened up here. Definitely need an overview look at that. Let's see. And hopefully, once you start putting together your contents and your backlinks and your citations, your keywords, Google can start to, build a profile on you, see that you're trusted, see that you have referring domains that are trusted with their backlinks, and you could quickly start to move up the ranks and get yourself exposure on the first page of Google. Um, with that being said, I wanted to thank you for your time. I hope that you can see the importance of a well-built website and how the keywords and the content play a role in your rank and what you're actually being found for when keywords are typed into the search bar. So, customers can see you. You can get more exposure that way to bring more business, just increase your value. If you find that you're wanting some more information, I could probably do some research for you, find out what's realistic for your business. With that being said, thank you for your time. Hope you found it informative and hope you have a great day.